Hello guys, hola. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Honestly guys, I'm so happy today. I'm just in a good mood. It's been a good day. As you can see, the rainy season has already kicked in, so that gives me a good mood, obviously. But anyway, welcome back to our YouTube channel. We missed you. Have you missed us? Yeah, you have. Okay, I've missed you too. Yeah, so I'm coming live to you from the block A of the farm today. Okay, we are naming the farm into block A and block B, and as you can see, we are in the third week of the plantain season. Guys, can you imagine these plantains? It's already been 3 weeks. It's not even fully 3 weeks. Yeah, how long has it been? Okay, let's just call it 3 weeks. It's been 3 weeks, and I don't know if you can see how the plantains have been looking gorgeous. As you can see, guys, they have already started getting the leaves. I don't know if you can see the whole of this block, guys. So this is actually so nice because obviously we did set up the first of all, guys, we did set up the drip irrigation. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, the reason, guys, I don't have a video showing you in the meantime on this block, it's because I had contracted some people to do the drip system for me. They ended up doing the work I did not like, so that is not something I was gonna put out there, because if I'm not happy with something, then I'd not recommend to you. So don't ask about that, guys. Story for another day. But either way, we decided that the other block we should be doing the drip system ourselves, because by the end of the day we know how to do the drip irrigation. We were just giving people the benefit of doubt, so we are going to be fixing that since so we can do a better job. Yeah, so you'll come along with us as we are doing that. Anyway, there is not much to say, because guys, honestly, we have just been vibing and inshallah waiting for growth, and it's here with us. I don't know, calm. I feel and we should be starting to do some maybe replacements and something new. I don't know if you can see from a distance that we did bring some hives in this farm. We also should be adding more hives on this side of the orchard. The orchard. Can a plantain farm be called an orchard as well? Okay, you tell me in the comment section if I'm saying the right thing. But we did realize that where we set up the bees, it's not the ideal location, since there are no trees near and it's during the rainy season. So maybe we have decided that we should be moving the bees to the other side of the farm. So without further ado, let's you guys just enjoy the block A as we move towards the block B, where you should be seeing a lot of action. Right now, just enjoy the action. Yeah? Yes. Let's go. Only this one needs to be replaced. Oh, this side. The view. But I see the block B, it's doing so much better. What do you think? guys, this is the block B. I don't know if you can see the fencing from that side and from this side. Unfortunately, we have a road between us. That's not a good thing. We don't like it, but it is what it is. Yeah, but now let's go to block B. You can see we are still under construction, so that these are the drip lines. Oh my god. You should be coming along as we install these ones, yeah? So that will be quite the thing. These ones are still fresh, so fresh. In fact, these ones we did plant them yesterday, but now there's that other side which are still 3 weeks old. But come along, let's go. Also enjoy the fresh ones, because these ones will be sprouting very soon and they'll be looking so nice. And guys, let me just put it out there, if you want to start this project with us, or if you want in the near future to start your plantain orchard, I'm a plantain farm, holla at me. I'll hook you up with the suckers, the plantain suckers. Let's go. We are installing drips for ourselves throughout this place. All these lines. the other plantain video went up, maybe there are a few questions that some people are asking, and maybe I can take some time to answer 2 or 3 of them, maybe the ones that I remember up top. So like the first question I remember seeing a lot is why plantain and why not avocado? I think that was mainly the question, because some of you all know we have the avocado orchard, and so why plantain? So to answer your question on that, honestly guys, it's more of diversification and not putting all your eggs in one basket. The avocado project, it's a good project. We love it. It's doing amazing. But now we can try something. Since that one is working completely well, we can try the plantain. Then we did our research so well. Of course, we have been going to the market, and we realized that plantain in Kenya are in high demand, and there are not enough suppliers for that. Yeah, so yeah, that's why plantain. During maybe the third project, if we have it, will it be avocado or plantains? Maybe avocados mostly, or plantains, or even something different. Honestly guys, here we're just having fun with farming. It's not that complicated. We try to make it as simple as it can be. Yeah, and that's about that. Is there any other question that has been occurring so much? Okay guys, maybe since I can't remember all the questions right now, what I'll do is maybe we can do another video later in the course of maybe next month or so, and we can answer the questions that some of you all are interested in hearing. Yeah, so in the meantime, you can enjoy the 3 weeks of block B of the plantains. You can see how they have grown. Ooh. That one looks nice. This side, it's not so much growth, but we have a Kent mango tree at the middle of the farm, just like in the Garden of Eden. Oh yeah, let's go. Ooh, yeah, and now this side where the plantains have decided to perform. I actually think this is the first place we started our video last time. So you can see, you can compare from the start of the video, the last video on plantain. This is the block where we started, yeah? And you can see how they are doing so well, yeah? How this side. Yeah, so that's it. So I'm just gonna end the video here. We'll attach the video of us doing the drip. Yeah, at this point I think we have already even become pros, because there were some fixings we did. And so if you need some drip system installed in your farm, holla at us, we got you. Let's first finish, then you'll see how we'll do such a good job. Yeah, so until next time guys, thank you so much for watching until this point. If you liked the video, obviously click the like button, subscribe, and share with your friends. Yeah, so until next time, bye.